Piano Toolbox. Welcome to part 1 of an 8-part series on how to learn Waving Through a Window from the hit musical Dear Evan Hansen. All right, this first part of the introduction, that's what we're going to be working on right now, the introduction, which is also the verse. And it starts with our thumb of our right hand playing eighth notes on an A. First of all, let's backtrack and make sure we know where that is. Here is middle C, and the way that I find that is there's pairs of 2 black notes, then 3, then 2, then 3. So you go to the pair of 2, go right to the left, that's C, and we can count up from that, C, D, E, F, G, A. That is the A, and we're going to be playing eighth notes like this. You might notice how I accented some of those. It wasn't just, it was bum, 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 bum. Okay, we're going to kind of accent that if you can. And the next part is there are 2 different melodies going along. The main melody is this one in your right hand. Yes, you're going to have to be playing a right hand melody while you keep this eighth note rhythm going. So the eighth note rhythm is really not as much, it's a harmony thing, but it's really more of a rhythm thing. So here's the melody. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So the last part is going to be with our left hand. And you're starting on a C sharp. So here's middle C. You're going to go right 1/2 step above that. And then you're going to go from C up to D up to E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And that main melody, if we just play these 2 parts together, they're kind of the same rhythm. Not this part, but these outlying parts. So that's the melody that we're hearing. But you have this pulse, that's what gives it its signature feel. And so you put the 3 together. So far we have. Learn to slam on the brake before I even turn the key. Before I make a mistake. Before I leave. And then we have a new part to learn. So make sure you practice part 1 of Waving Through a Window by Pasek and Paul. And I will see you on Piano Toolbox for part 2.